Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you some essential exercises to help you master two key elements for learning the half flip and half Lutz. As beginners, we often face two major challenges. The first is not having strong enough back outside or back inside edge to balance while gliding on one foot. And the second is executing a powerful tap with a straight free leg followed by a smooth glide. In this video, we will address both of these issues through targeted preparation exercises. By the end, you will notice significant improvement in your jumps. Let's get started. To perform a quality half flip and half Lutz, it is essential to have solid skating skills, including 3 turns, mohawks, and strong forward and backward edges. These foundational skills are crucial for properly setting up the jump. We will start today with a warm-up by doing forward and backward slaloms. This will help warm up your ankles and get you feeling of your outside and inside edges. Perfect preparation for the half flip and half Lutz. While you're doing your backward and forward slalom, make sure that you work your knees and ankles, turning your hips on a half circle, and try to make your circles as small as you can for deeper edges and better timing. Next, we will work on balance by practicing edges on small half circles, starting with forward outside edge, followed by forward inside edge. Holding your arms out, free leg closer to your skating leg, and completing half circles. You can find more videos for edges if you click on the link above or look in the description below. Now we're going to do backward outside edges, and I want your arms going closer to your hips when you change them through. You can see how her arms just staying very wide and she has hard time to balance after she moving her upper body outside of circle. When you're moving your arms through, try to touch your hips with your hands that you can feel that they're going closer to your upper body. Now we're going to move to backward inside edge and practice on balance a little bit more. Backward edges are most important for half flip and half Lutz. Backward outside edge going into Lutz jump, and backward inside edge going into flip jump. So you want to make sure you're very comfortable gliding on one foot backward. Next, we will work on the toe tap at the wall. Hold onto the wall with both hands while standing on your left foot. Reach back with your right leg, keeping it straight and pointing your toe. And then tap the ice. After the tap, pull your left leg toward your right leg and glide through, straightening your left leg as you get closer to your right toe. Then return to the lunge position and repeat this sequence several times. In the next exercise, we'll do a lunge, tap, glide through, and then lift your left leg. Turn half revolution on your right toe and then come back into the lunge position. We'll try this several times, holding to the wall, and then we will attempt it without support. When you tap, make sure your free leg stays straight and reaches back without coming too close to your skating leg. If your tap is too close, you won't have room to glide through for a powerful jump. Instead, you will end up jumping from 2 feet, which make it harder to execute the jump properly when you have more speed. Now let's explore some variations of the flip. The first variation switches your feet. You will tap with your right toe, land on your left, and then push forward, gliding on your right leg. This helps you understand how to move your left side through more efficiently. The second variation involves tapping with your right toe, turning half a revolution, landing on the same right toe, and then pushing off and gliding on your left foot. This prepares you for single jumps where you will land on the same foot that tapped the ice. Let's check taps now. This is first girl, she reaching back with straight leg, tap, she still have distance between her feet, and then draw left foot through. After that, she lift her left leg, and then she jump, turn half revolution in the air, land on left toe, and then push forward into right foot. That was very good reach back for beginner. Now, this skater need to reach back more with straight leg. You can see how her leg is bent, and she already fallen off her left foot. Now she bending even more, and then she taps when her feet together. She doesn't have much drive. After that, she jumps and exit. So very important to reach back with free leg right here, that you have distance to go and glide after the tap. Now let's see, this is 3 times back to back. We're doing different variation here. 3 turn, jump and land on the same toe, right toe. Another skater again, her leg still bent and she bending even more, so her energy going down. Then she jump from 2 feet straight up and basically land in the same spot as her takeoff. It is very common mistake with beginner skaters and very easy to fix with some exercises. We are moving on to the half Lutz jump. We will start with exercises to help you feel your outside edges. Stand next to the wall and move both feet by bending your knees and gently pushing into the outside edges. Next, we will work on moving 1 foot at a time in a circular motion, keeping your blade on the outside edge. Focus on your left foot coming closer to your right toe, creating a pizza position just before takeoff. And keep pressing on the front of your foot where your little toe is when you're making that circle. Click on the link above or look in the description below for more videos on beginner jump exercises. Keep moving that left foot along the circle until your toes meet. Then pick up your left foot and turn half a revolution on your right toe. For the next exercise, we will learn how to engage your upper body for the half Lutz. Start by gliding on 2 feet with your upper body inside the circle. Then move your arms down near your hips and rotate your upper body outside of circle. It's easier to learn this way on 2 feet before transitioning to 1 foot. Now, when you're gliding on 1 foot, make sure that you turn your upper body while you're gliding on 2 feet, and then pick up your right foot from the ice, keeping your free leg behind slightly, turn out and bend closer to your skating leg. Try to glide as long as you can and feel comfortable on your outside edge. Next, we will try maintaining that twist upper body position while gliding backward on your left foot with your right leg behind, extend, turn out and point, reaching back with the circle. Your right leg should cross slightly over your left leg to stay in line with the circle, keeping you on outside edge. So twist your upper body outside and then reach back with right leg before you tap. If you find these exercises helpful, remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and exercises. Now we're going on the line and we'll try to go from one circle to another into the half Lutz. This could be confusing. Let's look at our first try closely. First very common mistake is skaters start jumping in the same direction as they twist. You saw my first skater jump to the right instead of to the left. And second most common mistake is jumping and landing on the same circle as this skater went. So she's confused with where she needs to land. To make corrections, I drew 2 half circles with the marker and put smile face on the left side. that she can look at that smile face and then she will jump to the left. It's really help her to understand where she's jumping. If the outside edge isn't solid yet, at least the skaters will begin to understand the pattern of the half Lutz and jump in the right direction. It's important to focus on reaching back with a straight leg to draw a proper jump. On the second try, her edge looks a little bit better. Some of my younger skaters still had trouble reaching back with their legs, but I'm confident that with time we'll fix that. There are two variations of the half Lutz. First, stepping with the right foot, landing on the left toe and pushing into right forward and side edge. And the second, stepping with the right foot, landing on the right foot after a half revolution and then pushing and gliding on the left forward outside edge. Both techniques are beneficial for overall jump technique and can be incorporated into daily practice to improve the skater's control and form. One of my favorite exercises for all toe jumps is simply walking backward on your toes. Keep your heels as high as possible and try to straighten your knees as much as you can. Ideally, I like to see skaters walking with straight legs, similar to how it is done in ballet during releve. This exercise helps develop strength, balance, and correct toe position for jumps. The next step is learning the toe step, which builds on walking backward on your toes, but adds more coordination. This is also a great exercise for toe jumps. Start by standing next to the wall. We'll begin with 3 steps backward and then cross your left foot in front to perform the toe step. After mastering this, we will try it on a circle. On the circle, cross your left foot in front as you push through the crossover. You can either complete a full crossover or just push under. Then take 3 toe steps, right, left, right, and then cross again with your left foot in front. Keep your right leg straight as you reach back and pull through. Walk on your toes with straighter legs, just like before. This exercise helps improve coordination and strength for toe jumps. Now we will return to working on upper body positions. For beginners, it is often challenging to understand how to tune the upper body rather than just moving the arms. To work on this, we will practice bringing the arms closer to the hips and twisting as much as possible. Next, we will continue with the backward crossovers into backward outside edge. This will help prepare you for gliding into the half Lutz, getting you more comfortable with the backward 1-foot glide before attempting the jump. Remember, it is crucial to focus on the setup for the jump to ensure success. If you'd like to work more on your edges, I have included links to videos that cover edge work in the link above or in the description below. That wraps up our session for today. We have covered essential exercises to strengthen your edges, improve your toe tap technique, and work on your upper body position for the half flip and half Lutz. Remember, mastering these foundational skills is key to achieving more powerful and controlled jumps. Keep practicing the drills consistently, and you will see steady improvement in your skating. I have got a lot of exciting videos coming up, including new one on power pulls and more on ice warm-up and skating skill exercises. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.